Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we have another unboxing for you guys to see. This one is the coats. I'm not sure it's like a blanket or what my wife got. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this and then show you guys what we got. So we got the Nike Everyday Plus cotton cushion ankle socks with the Dri-Fit technology. This one's the men's size 8 to 12, women's size 10 to 13, and then 6 of this pair. Original retail price on this is $22. So here's the product description, item numbers, and everything. This one is the Patchwork bed spread, king size, and then that's a unit price. So this one is the craft and barrel. Original retail price on this is $159.99. My wife said this is a quilt. So yeah, it is pretty thin. See what kind of material is this? And this is made in China. So this is 100% cotton. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and then I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.